Wanted to give a shout out to Highland Park Lapidary. So this is an old saw, 18-inch. This is stripped out. Last thing I cut on this was a big Kentucky agate with Paul Schroeder. I actually hooked a line up, and since this had stripped out, I pulled the whole rock through. So this is Highland Park's replacement part. As you can see, it's a ton beefier, and not only that, you can replace this little insert right here. It's longer, and it's also replaceable. A while ago had a machine shop redo this one for me. This was actually much cheaper. So big shout out to them. Also, I'm throwing this thin sintered blade on. Green Forest Lapidary packed this up wonderfully. Got it off of eBay. They're out in Texas. Great communication, great experience with them too. So swapping blades on this for a thinner kerf. Going to be cutting a really nice piece of bone for a client with it, and I wanted as little waste as possible. But anyway, wanted to shout out to those two companies. Wonderful experience with both of them.